Hey guys, this is Aman from PowerPoint School. I hope you have liked this new setup that we have built for our YouTube studio. Still, there are so many things that we are going to add, and you'll be happy to know that very soon we're going to start the facecam videos. I hope this will increase the engagement with you guys, and this new setup will definitely bring much more quality in our works. So that's all from this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to comment your thoughts regarding this new setup. So see you in the next video with a PowerPoint tutorial. Thanks for watching.